You can do it. You can do it. Let's go. You can do it.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel for you guys. Now, on the menu for you guys today, this morning, this afternoon, whatever time it is for you guys, for me right now, it is currently 2:30 in the morning. Yeah, some crazy time to do some cooking sometimes, you know. If you can't sleep, if you're hungry, if you've got people around, blah, 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 whatever, you gotta cook, clean, clean. Who's cleaning at 2 o'clock in the morning? So more like eating and drinking in the morning, right? Yeah, anyway, let's not get sidetracked. So back to the cooking bit. I'm gonna be making you a egg sandwich. It's like a brunch kind of thing, but for me, obviously, at this time it is, it's gonna be like a breakfast, late breakfast, whatever you wanna call it. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like at the end of the video. And let's get the video going, shall we? Right, guys, to begin with, the ingredients that we need in order to make our little, what do you call it? Brunch, right? Is simply some lettuce, not even all of it, it's too much. Just cut very thin and finely. And then you can eat the rest of that. Lovely. Chuck it in there. Okay. That's it. You only need a small portion, so don't go over the top. Sorry guys. Then you want to get a carrot and then you want to grate it as well. Come on, Lee. You can do this. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go. You can do it. And all you want to do is just a few thin slices. That's all. Not even that. 3 slices. Job done. The rest of this can go in the fridge. Bring this over, put 4 eggs or 3 eggs, entirely up to you how many you want. Just be careful with the shells. Job done. Pinch of salt. I think that was a bit too much salt. Pinch of pepper. Okay. And then all you want to do is mix this. Lettuce, carrot, egg sandwich. Brunch. Brunch is coming up, ladies and gentlemen. Get some butter, chuck it in there. Once that's done, get all of this bad boy in there. Okay. Done. Get your tortilla wrap, place it on top, and then, oh boy, flip it over, turn it down so it doesn't burn. Okay, and now what you need to do is top it up with some cheese. Okay. Some lovely cheese we've got here. Okay. I chopped up some mortadella on the side. I forgot to show you that part, guys. I do apologize. Okay. Is that. Alright. Look at that. Make sure you fill it up. Okay. And then you got 3 chopped tomatoes that we did earlier, okay, and followed by mozzarella cheese, which gives it the final touch. You can put 3 layers on if you fancy that. Okay, that's that. And now, before the bread goes crispy, you want to try and flip it over on itself. Look at that. Bring it. Oh, don't melt into the thing. There you go. Stick it back in there. Press it down a little bit. Okay, right. How are we doing? We all right? Oh no, this bit's coming out. Oh no, oh no. And then flip it over on this side as well. Give it a nice little push. It all melts. Looks lovely, jubbly. Happy days, bubbly. Yeah. Let me just clear up the mess that I made. I do apologize, ladies and gentlemen. You guys had to see that part. Okay, and now what we need is a plate. Okay. And now we're going to switch it off. Oh, where is it? Switch it off. Take it out of the pan. Place it on here. Get rid of that so you guys can see. Just chop it down the middle. Voila. It is a bit hot, so please do take care. Right? And you want to do, what you want to do is add a bit of garnish on the side, which I've gone and got some chips. You can choose your own chips as you like. There you are. A nice simple little brunch. Simple, easy, quick. That's your egg. It's got egg in there, mozzarella, mortadella, tomatoes, and a nice little brunch for you guys out there. So bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come